Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I am going to show you how to make a text box label using HTML. So I have opened up on the left my text editor, which has all my HTML markup, and on my right I have the web page that is being displayed based on that markup in my web browser. So as you can see, I have a form set up on my web page. Simply by using the form and input tags. In your input tags, that's what creates these text boxes, an input tag. Within those input tags, you have certain parameters. One is size and one is name. Now, name is the one you're going to want to pay attention to for your labels because you're going to have to give your labels the same name as your input text box. So this first text box has a name of first name. So I'm going to go right into my markup right above that and create a tag that says label, and then close that and type whatever you want the label to be. So I'm going to put first name and then close label. And then within that opening label tag, I want to put the name that's used in the associated input text box. So I'm going to put this parameter in this tag, name equals first name. Same exact casing, same exact spelling as the input text box. So then if I go ahead and hit save and then refresh my page, you'll notice a label that's associated with the text box. And I can do that again for the other text box right here. Just label name equals, and now it's last name because that's the name of this text input box. Last name, close label, and then save, and then refresh, and there you go. So that's how you do it. That is how you place a label on a text box in HTML. My name is Brian, and thanks for watching.